This is my rubber band hairstyle tutorial. Let's go! Hi everybody! So I brought the rubber bands out and I actually got this big thing for I think like $5 or less than $5. Maybe $3. I can't remember. From Amazon, but I figured let's do a rubber band hairstyle. So before we even start, we're gonna wet our hair because it's so easy to just work with wet hair. So make sure everything is thoroughly wet, especially the back. Okay, so my hair is wet now, and I do have a center part in my hair because that's really just where I've been parting my hair lately, but it's also where we're gonna go. So I'm just gonna go and kind of like up here. I personally feel like with doing any type of unique hairstyle, it's easier to do it with the center part. So yeah, I personally feel like when doing any unique hairstyle, it's easier to do with the center part because you can make it symmetrical on both sides and you kind of just copy what you did before. So I have it like this. I'm gonna grab our rubber bands, just open it up. I think I'm gonna go with the lighter blue color, stretch it out a bit. And I'm gonna kind of like separate these into maybe, into like 6 sections, so 3 on each side. Of course, I'm just gonna make sure it's wet. Okay, and just want to make sure that it is all kind of just evened out completely. You want your parts to be even or completely like clear, just because you're gonna see a lot of those mistakes if they aren't. On this side, it's just like that is good. I'm just putting the rest in a bun just to keep it out the way. Okay. Now right here. Okay, and I do want to kind of comb it up because it's going towards the back of my head. Okay, that. And I'm just like stretching the band a bit before I use it, just so that way it doesn't pop. Okay, so see, we have one side here. It's gonna repeat over here. So it's 3 separate ones just to repeat. And this one, once again, if it's dry, just wet it and brush that through. Okay. Okay, and then the last one. You want to make sure no other hair gets into it except for the one you're working on. This is a full reveal. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just get another section from back here. And it's gonna actually end up being 3 sections, but we just wanna make sure we get that part. Okay, take my comb, go up a little bit, not too much, and then just I'm tired. I'm so tired. And now we're just gonna wet this back part because we're gonna part it one more time. And we're gonna part it so it only gets these 2. So let's bring it up from where that part is. That. And we're actually gonna bring all 3 of these together. Just make sure your front 2 parts are tight, all the way down tight. I know these ones are smaller, so they tend to move. Okay. Just like that. Do that on the other side. So I'm just gonna wet it up. And that part goes. And then now all we have left is this top part. So make sure I grab all of that. Bring it up. Okay, so I am going to leave it here with this. I am going to wet the remaining back of my hair. It's like nice and stylish, kind of cute. And now I'm just going to take my Dead Man brush and I'm just going to brush it through kind of each section, going to give it those curls. I don't want it to be perfect, so I'm just getting a whole bunch of different sections. That as well. Grab the other side. So you see the difference, right? Grab the side. This part. Okay, and I'm just gonna shake out some of those curls in advance. I'm shaking everything out. This is really cute, and then these 2 to the side kind of help build the volume. The one on top helps build length. It's really cute. And now we just have to wait for it to dry. And this is it, pretty much at 80% dry. As you can see, it's kind of lifted over here. It pushes it back to like show off my face more. It gives it a little bit of height, and my curls get to flourish right here, which is beautiful. And yeah, so this is my little simple, this is kind of a simple one, rubber band hairstyle tutorial. If you try this, let me know how it works for you. If you have any ideas for a rubber band hairstyle tutorial, let me know all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye. No rubber bands were harmed or broken in this tutorial. Yes.